Let me show you how to change wallpapers, and also I'll show you two different ways how to even download more wallpapers as well than you get by default. So if you click and hold on any blank space of your home screen, so you see this menu appears. We can click wallpapers and style, click change wallpapers, and then you see, for example, you have different choices here, some things or even some colors. So if you want to apply something, simply click on it, click next. Okay, and you see at the same time also here we can, for example, edit the clock style here as well to something else, maybe like a different style. So once satisfied, click done. So and I see you have your new wallpaper, and also it applies to the lock screen if you set it. So what if you want to download some more decent wallpapers? Because the default ones here kinda suck in my opinion, so there isn't much choice. So again, we simply go over here, back, change wallpapers, and you swipe all the way down and click get more wallpapers. So yep, browse. Also I'll show you one more method after this. So click over here in the top wallpapers. If you want to find all the free ones, simply click here and free. And you see you have a bunch of other wallpapers that you can download. The choice is absolutely massive here. So for example, if you want maybe this one, yep, let's click this. Let's see it's downloading here. Okay, click apply. Again, choose if you want on both or whatever. So you can even like change the location. Yeah. Yep, so you see you have a new wallpaper here, for example. Then also my personal choice, what I use this app called Backdrop. So if you go in the Play Store, this I found is like a decent free app. So this one. So for example, if you go over here, for example, Explore tab, so you see you have actually like way more high quality wallpapers here, for example. So also you can search here for something here. So this is what I use. And these are, for example, some of what I use. So you can search for these names if you want. So yeah, if you want to apply some of these, so click set on both, for example, and you have like a new wallpaper here and also the new lock screen. Okay, like